far, she's pretty good. I need to adjust the seat up a little bit, I do believe. There we go. Make that work, lean on it a little bit. Okay. Wow, this thing's moving right along, buddy. I'm here to tell you. It's been a long time since I've been in a boat like this. Okay, we're out past the boat markers here. We're not taking on any water. That's not a problem. Lean back here and just see what we got. Pretty good, really. Not bad. Turns easy enough, that's for sure. All right, so what's my take so far? It's pretty good, no doubt. It's pretty good. I'm not a big kayaker. I canoe more than anything else when I'm in the water, but this thing does a good job. That's for sure. Turns well, it tracks well straight. It does a good job, and it feels really stable in the water. I shake about a little bit. It feels really stable. I'm drafting probably not quite halfway up to the gunnels right now, from the looks of it. So I think it's pretty good, honestly. I mean, I can't see any problem. Well, I gotta tell you, boys, there ain't nothing wrong with this. It's plenty comfortable, plenty stable in the water. It's not leaking. The only water in here is the water I'm getting in here, getting in and out of it with my boots or my shoes on. And it tracks well, it turns well. I got no complaints, I gotta tell you. I mean, I think that setup took me a total of maybe 10 minutes. And that was because I forgot to put one piece in and had to go back and undo something. Otherwise, I probably would have had it done in 5, to be flat honest with you. I probably could have got this done in 5 minutes. So all the naysayers out there, you know, there's a time and a place for everything. And just because the product's not for you or something that you wouldn't use doesn't mean it's not something somebody else might want to use. And I try to keep an open mind with all products. And this thing is stable enough in the water and good enough that you could fish out of it if you wanted to. And if you didn't have room to carry a full-size kayak or canoe, you didn't want to mess with inflatables and pumps and batteries and all that messing around, you just wanted something you could unfold, slap it together and go, I mean, in the 10 minutes it takes to put this together, it takes that long to unstrap a canoe from the top of your truck and get it to the water. I've done it hundreds of times and I know. By the time you batten that thing down and you're ready to rock and roll again, you're talking about another 10, 15 minutes, putting all your stuff away, getting on top of the truck, strapping it down, making sure it's tied right. This thing, the same 10 minutes in the box, in the truck, see you later. So I don't think a time involved is a problem. Now, as far as longevity goes, I'll give you, a kayak that's molded is gonna last forever, as long as you don't just destroy it, right, on purpose. No question about that. I've got several of them. I have a Lifetime kayak. I have a couple of fish on top canoes by Old Town. All that stuff's really good. This is just another option for someone who may need it. And so I'm testing it to see what the viability is. And I absolutely am not disappointed with this product after putting it together twice now and actually putting it in the water. So I'm gonna go out and paddle around for a little while, guys, and then I'll go home and edit this video, eh? All right, guys, listen, I appreciate you joining me out here today for this quick ride in the Oru Kayak. See how stable she was in the water, how she tracks, how she paddles, how she goes together after twice now putting it together. And now I'm going to take it apart and see how fast that goes. But so far, I'm happy. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back in another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.